Hello viewers, how are you? In this video I'm going to tell you how you can convert your every MKV or any file which is in a different format other than MP4. So in some cases we need to convert this file into MP4 format. So you can do it freely without using any paid software. Just you have to open your VLC media player and VLC will done this work for you, because in some cases we are not ready to get the pay to any other application. So open your VLC media player, come out the media tab on the top of the screen, click on the media one, and here you will see a convert and save option. Again I'm doing convert and save, and then here you will add button. Click on the add button and select that video which you wanna convert. You can go to your location, but I have a video in the video folder, public video folder. I will open it, and then the video will be loaded over here, and now you have to click on this arrow button, and you will see some of options over here, and you have to click on the convert button. Okay, that is selected one, and now you have to select the file format which you want to select. For this purpose you have to click on this drop down button. You will find all the formats available in this window. Okay, first of all you have to select the which coding format, like which coding scheme. If you want to know about it, it's okay, otherwise you have to leave it for the now. And these are all formats which VLC media player provides you. This is a coding, you can change the coding as well, and this is the resolutions and everything. You can play with all the things you wanna now. If you have a deep knowledge, otherwise you can just go with the basic settings one. All the options, see, if VLC have a lot of options, you know, so I will never explore any of these for the time being. We will go with the only file format. So I will select MP4 from here. You can select anyone which you want. Now you have to select the destination one. Okay, destination where this file will go after the conversion. So for the time being, to make the story simple, I will just save it to the desktop, and you can also change the name which will be given to the file when its processing will complete. Now we have done the work, and click on the start button. That's all. We have done our job, and now remain will be done by VLC. You will see that its processing is a bit slower than, because it's only honestly speaking a basic software, so it will take some time to complete its processing. I will forward the video, and after its completion you will see your file will be on the destination where you choose to be saved after conversion. So here is our file. I will close this one, and now this is the converted file. Now see its file size. It's MP4 now. Before it was in a different format. Now its size is 18 MB. The file format after file conversion, you will see that its size was here, which is almost 25 MB, but now its file is also decreased. So you can also use this one for the file conversion and everything. Now we will check our result. Wow, that's great. You can see the video quality is also still maintained, and not a big difference has been made to the video. So that was a small tip for the today. Our video is getting so little bit longer, so because I wanna teach you everything very in deeply. So if you have liked my video, if you have solved the solutions, if you find the solution for your problem, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, so you will get the more videos like this. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.